Hello everyone, the Halloween event is now underway. Alright, let's go. Oh, I almost forgot. Let's go back inside real quick to get something. There's gotta be a spooky trees basket around. Oh, there you are. I just bought another one, but I didn't customize it. I just only got one with that I customized it earlier. Alright, let's get this Halloween party started. Let's go out. Alright, I'm outside. Now I gotta go find Jack. Oh, cool. There's Rocket and Peanut. They're all dressed up. And I bet the other ones are too. Jack, where are you? Oh, hi, there you are. Yeah, he does look like kind of cool. Wait a minute, where is he? Oh, there he is. I gotta talk with him. Oh, wait, he's still hiding. I can't talk with him with the resident services behind him and in front of me. Alright, there he is again. Alright, let's do it. Trick or treat. Ho, 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 ho. You're acting like Santa. Whatever. He. I am Jack, the reckoning czar of Halloween. This is a night for frights and delights, which comes but once a year. That's right, Halloween is here. Ah, what a thrill it's been to see this day draw near. The anticipation gave me goosebumps, Pumpkin. Now the hour has come, and it's I don't know what it says. I seek. Tell me, Pumpkin, do you think you would fit the bill? Absolutely. Hee, what a agreeable little minion. I reward my servants handsomely for a week well done. And what work is that, you ask? Here's a thy task. You must fetch for me that delectable candy. Yep, I got it in my pockets. Oh, why, Decca, you have some candy on you right now. Trick or treat. Come, hand me that candy, Pumpkin. Alright, here you go. Wee-hee. Time to treat myself. Oh, so scarily scrumptious. And now for a road I promised. Feast your eyes on a king size. Oh, I already had that. Dazzling, Pumpkin. Now your true work can begin. Next, you shall bring me my most delectable lollipops. Oh, I haven't had these for a while. I have more in the store for one who scores me some. These frightfully special items can be yours. I feel it in my bones. Sure, as the shadows, someone out there has a lollipop. apply them in your candy, and you may pry it from their grasp. Stop at nothing to get your claws on me. I shall be haunting this area, so come to me again with a lollipop in hand. Don't disappoint me, my minion. Mind you, I'll also hunger for more candy. Whatever you bring me, don't keep me waiting long, Pumpkin. I will, Jack. Thanks for visiting. Well, I'm glad you're staying here for a little while for this year's Halloween. I wonder where the other villagers went. Oh man, I have to clean everything up till tomorrow. Just look at him. He's going to the beach. Oh my Jack. You're so silly. Alright. You guys gotta be around here somewhere. Oh, there's Borky. And she's in the mummy costume. Oh, hi. There you go. That's what I had earlier. I might as well have to put that garland in the storage in my house. Well, I hate to put the pipes anywhere because I have to take a shortcut to shop districts anywhere. You take me home, please, game? Oh, there we go. Oh, hi, Marcy. Let's change my costume. Oh, I need to take this off. You need some candy again? I got an idea. don't see why not. Thank you. Wait a minute. Hold on. I had to do something real quick. Be right back. And, I'm still teleporting to places. There we go again. Great. I know I have a cooler at the beach, but I should have. I know I should have left the costumes in here, but I think something easier will be perfect. I just put them back into storage so that way the clothes can be in the wardrobe. Okay, I'm back again. Oh wait! Look! Look, the people are using reactions to scare. I'm gonna do it right now. Hi everyone. That looks really fun. Oh man, I'm making everyone fear. Wait, is that Jack? Oh yeah, it is. Oh, he's fixing his head again. Let's see if we can make him laugh. Yep, we can. Sorry, Gil. Where was I? Oh, yeah. Oh, look, there's Gwen. I'd like you to meet Gwen, guys. But, she's not really perfect for my island, so I really want her to move away one day. You got it. Here, I would, actually, no. A spooky rock, another one? Okay, thanks. I love it. Happy Halloween, Gwen. You seriously came for another candy again? A spooky wall, another one. Okay, I think I'll wear this again. And I think I have a better idea. I need to find someone else who wants... I bet Daisy and Dragon will come out soon. Okay, now I need to wear some horns. And maybe a zombie costume, whatever that is again. Hold on, where is it? Oh, there you are. I guess that'll do. Oh wait, forgot to take off the wings off, my bad. I look just like Michael Jackson. Well, sadly he died for a long time ago. Rest in peace, Michael Jackson. There we go. I'm gonna check just in case the wings are gone on me. Yeah, they are. Okay. I'm all good to go. Does anybody else want candy too? Another spooky flooring, okay. Hey Marina, you want some candy? I think I'll let you have this lollipop. A spooky candy set. Nice. Thanks, Marina. And hey Rocco, do you want some candy too? Here you go. Oh, another lollipop. Okay, thank you. Alright, now I gotta find Peanut. Oh, wait. The present's getting away. I have to go catch it. Nah. Wait, where's Peanut? I saw her on her neighborhood for a little while ago. Oh wait, there she is. She's hiding behind trees. You betcha. There you go. Five yellow pumpkins. Thanks, Peanut. Let's see what the guys are up to in their houses. Man, I don't think Pinky's not really gonna be perfect for my island anymore. Now I need to find someone else. I know she's pink and white, but her name tag, it's not pink at all. It's like white. But I'm afraid I have to let it move away one day, so I can look for new villagers like Chrissy Chrissy and yeah, the other pink villagers I want. Let's see if JC can give me candy. Oh wow, look at her. Thank you. See you when you get outside, Daisy. Now let's go to Drago's house. You look great, Drago. Thank you. See you when you get outside, Drago. Well, I had to stop this video soon, guys, because I had to go trick-or-treating with my little sister. Well, I'm not gonna get candy anymore because I'm too old. Well, I'm a grown-up now, and now it's up to my little sister to get candy. Let's go change my costume. Hold on, where's the... Oh, there you are. Alright, there we go. And I look great as a purple bear. And I think I'll change the other headwear later. But this won't take long. Oh wait, does Jack need more candy or something? You betcha. Wait, does he really want a lollipop? Good one, Jack. Ooh, what could it be? Another spooky carriage. Ah, my foot is asleep. Sometimes it tickles me and hurts. Well, not really that hurt. Just watch when Marina comes to me. Or maybe not. If I get close to her. Yeah, I knew it. Ow, my foot. Another one of these. Oh, hey, Rocket. Happy Halloween, Rocket. Hey, Gail, do you need something? I take that as yes. Here you go. Oh, hey, Jack. Well, Jack is kind of cool. I wonder what's inside of his jack-o'-lantern head. But who knows? It might be a scary thing. Let's change my headwear right now. I think my foot is getting better. Oh wow, my video is going too fast. It's only 24 minutes. Alright, now where's the pointy ear hat? There you are. There you go. and I had to get rid of this pumpkin patch too. And so that way I can build some cliffs over here if I want. Oh, sorry, Jack, didn't mean to get in your way. Did I hear a present? Or is it just my here imagination? Oh, there it is. I think I'm getting hiccups right now. My pocket's getting full already. Oh, okay. Be right back. I need to get. Oh wait, I think Marky needs candy again. Just watch. Or does he? I mean, does she? Oh, I take that as a yes. What do you know? It's teleporting back to my house instead of the shop district. Oh, what time is it? Oh, 5:29. I think I have to leave soon. Dang. Alright, let's go back outside and continue some more trick-or-treating before I ran out of candy. Oh wait, I think Marky's gonna give me a lollipop, I think. Sure thing. Thank you. Just watch when Gwen gets close to me, or maybe not. Oh, I take that as a yes. I said that so many times. Ten orange pumpkins? Nice, thanks. Yes, it was. And is Marcy gonna need anything for her cute little Joey? Hey, Marcy. OMG, if only her cute little Joey has a costume too. What happens if I... Here, just watch me. Oh! Oh my god, look at me. Face paint? Wooden table mirror? Oh, okay. What the heck is on me? Oh, wait. Now I have to change my skin color again. Much better. I'm just gonna take this with me. I should probably give... a DIY recipe? What is this? A spooky... Are you serious right now? Hold on. A spooky lantern and 3 stark fragments. Wait, how do you build a spooky lantern again? Let's go back and make my spooky one right now. And it's teleporting me anywhere. Man, I have to stop this video soon. Now, where could the star fragments be? There you are. You're coming with me. I thought I got a cute DIY table I can build with. It's something that I want. It's white and pink. Oh yeah. Oh, there you are. There we go. I still have a skin color on me. Alright, here I am again. I'm running out of candy soon. You got it. Here's your lollipop. Oh, that's everything you got for me, Jack? I bet it does. But you know what, y'all? I think that's enough for this Animal Crossing special video right now. And yeah, I think I'll do some. Yeah, and I think it's time for me to go now to go trick or treating with my sister and my mother. And yeah, and I can't wait till next year to do that again. But this year on November we're gonna do Turkey Day. And yeah. Oh, I almost forgot. If those of you who watched the Animal Crossing Direct, there's a new update coming soon in 5 days. Yeah, there's gonna be an update coming soon, like the roost and anything I liked. It's really big, and I think I'll join my update when I play this in November 5th. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And yeah, happy Halloween. I'll see you guys next time in Animal Crossing New Horizons. Happy Halloween, everyone.